Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about how to find out the factorial of a given number using for loop. What is factorial? Factorial of a number is to multiply all the number from 1 to till the given number. And we cannot find out the factorial for any negative value. Okay. For a zero number, the factorial value is 1. So what is the represent for factorial is you have to use that exclamatory sign. So 0 and that factorial equal to value is 1. For example, if you want to find out the factorial for given number 6 means the number from 1 to 6 you have to multiply. Then your value is 720. So we are going to see how we can find out the factorial for a given value by using a for loop. So we are going to get the n value from the user, int of input of, enter the number. So to store the all multiplication value, we are giving value as 1 for initial value. So we cannot give a value as 0 because whatever the value we begin with 0, if you are trying to multiply with all value with 0, then answer will be 0. So we cannot give initial value as 0. So for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. So why we want to give n plus 1? We know that if we give n alone, it will take the value as n minus 1 alone. So we want to give the value till n. So that we are giving as n plus 1. Inside of a fact into I. Finally, we are going to print the factorial value. Factorial value is, what is your final result? So for example, we are going to give the same value as 6. We are getting a value as 720. So what is your I represents here? Each and every iteration, what is the value you are getting from a range value? So your I value begin with 1. Next time your I value is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So till 6 it will take because we gave a value as n plus 1. So instead of n plus 1, if we put n alone, it will take the value only till 5. So your value getting wrong. So we have to take n plus 1. Then only you will get a answer as 720. Okay. So this is the factorial of a given number. I hope all of you understand this program. Yeah. Thank you guys.